Going for broke. Understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, go for broke. This phrase has an intriguing history and usage in everyday English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Go for broke is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to risk everything in the hope of achieving great success. When someone decides to go for broke, they are putting all their resources or efforts into a single endeavor, without holding back. The phrase often implies a sense of desperation or a last-ditch effort. The phrase, go for broke, has an interesting history. It originated during World War II, with the 442nd Infantry Regiment of the United States Army, composed mainly of Japanese-American soldiers. Go for broke was their motto, symbolizing their willingness to risk everything in battle. This historical context adds a layer of depth and courage to the phrase. In everyday English, go for broke is used in various contexts. 1. Business. An entrepreneur might go for broke by investing all their savings into a new venture. 2. Sports. An athlete might go for broke in the final moments of a game to try to win. 3. Personal decisions. Someone might go for broke by making a significant life change, like moving to a new country for a job opportunity. To help you better understand, here are some examples. In the final round of the tournament, she decided to go for broke and played aggressively. Faced with closure, the small business owner went for broke and launched a new product line. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, go for broke, in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about taking big risks for the chance of great success. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.